Welcome to the OTB headquarters, no rap, on to bigger, on to better, on to billions. As y'all can see, bro, I've been back and forth to Houston, to Dallas, and I finally ain't got my own crib, bro. Look around, just look around. We got this shop. It's not as big, it's not the biggest crib, but it ain't too small, it's perfect for me. Then we got some little cool little shit going on, you feel me? This is where the couch is gonna go whenever we get furnished, because as y'all can see, it's the unfurnished apartment too, no couch. Then we got this side, we're gonna put the TV right here. Y'all see this is where the TV goes, the plug and junk like that. We keep the fan rolling because it get hot in the bitch in here. I already took a little nap in here, I already been sleeping in here, and it get a little hot in here. But I like the floor in here too, as y'all can see. They got a little hardwood floor. They got the modern, I said modern. They got the modern countertops and little modern sink and junk. And I've been playing with the little stuff because this is my first place. It's the first place, it's the first OTB headquarters. It's gonna get bigger and better, you feel me? As y'all can see, we got the little, y'all see my sink got a V8 engine in it. My sink got a V8 engine. Then we got the, this the coolest part right here. When I leave the crib and it get too dark, look, let me show y'all right quick. Y'all not supposed to see that right there. Don't act like y'all don't see that now. When it's too dark, you feel me? And I'm finna leave. We got night lights, twin. We got night lights. You feel me? That's kind of cool to me, I ain't gonna lie. I guess this is my first crib. Then we got spotlights right here. We got some cool little spotlights, and we got the cabinets. Y'all want something to drink? Because that's all we got in the fridge, man. I'll do one of these. We got the cranberry juice. We got the cran apple. Y'all want some drink? Let me know if y'all know what's going on. Then we got ain't got shit in the fridge. We got water. My bad, we got water for you niggas if y'all happen to want something to drink. And I really like the cabinets in this crib. That's a big part of why I like this crib. It looks very modern. And I actually didn't like this right here. The, I don't even know what you call this right here. The little bridge.
Brick.
Brick. The brick. It's a brick, but I ain't never seen this in nobody's apartment. So when y'all see this, y'all gotta know that this is my apartment, okay? Then we got my mama said this is called a wet bar. This shit is used for like liquor and stuff. For y'all that's of age, we can take some shots together when you come over and shit, Twain, you feel me? That's what that's for right there. So, got a little trash, you feel me? Then we're gonna take a little trip. As y'all can see, we going down the hallway. Who done left their shoes at my door? They need their ass one. Who done did that? We're gonna come in here first. Should we go? We should go in here first. This is gonna be my room right here. I'm not gonna count. This is gonna be my room. So I'm gonna put a little TV right here, bed right there. As y'all can see, it's not fully unfurnished because I have a couch in here, but this couch is a couch I like because I'm gonna keep this couch even when it get all the way furnished because this is where I'm sleeping right now. This is where OTB sleeping right now. This is where we sleeping, y'all. No cap. So it's kind of cool. I like this. Whenever I seen it in the store, I can use that because at first, I was gonna go air mattress, but we ain't going air mattress. Then for a little housewarming gift, my T-lady, she got me this right here. She got me this right here. It's a little furry pillow. Then we got the little closet. I haven't got all my stuff yet. This is not everything. This is just like 5% of everything. As y'all can see, it's been a day. It's only been a day. I could have did the apartment tour for y'all yesterday, but I didn't have a lot of energy. I had just came back, had to sign a couple papers, and yeah, I got y'all now though. Y'all like, come subscribe for me. Then, I didn't even show y'all what else my mama got though. She got me, let me show y'all. She got me a #1 candle, and it smells great. Y'all wanna smell? Yeah, that's gonna get her wet tone. And she got me this too. I don't know what this is. It look nice though.
It's a timer.
Yes, I guess it's a timer. Maya says a timer, but that bit look nice on bro. I fuck with it. And we got this one here. What's this one? We got the little washer and dryer, you feel me? And for you dudes, You gotta learn how to wash and dry your clothes for moments like this. Cause I used to pray for times like this, to grind like this, and I had to grind like that to shine. Okay, let's go on. So we gonna go on here, man. Make sure everybody in there too. Bet. This is the bathroom, bruh. No cap, this the bathroom, man. It's not as big, but I love it. Cause it's like, for me, it's for Day. It's for us, actually. You feel me? We got the little shower over here. I just put up the shower curtain. Cause I got that yesterday when me and my mom went shopping for the small things. Then I went to go get the little plunger, trash, you know, the stuff you need, tissue. But I like this too, like, mine said it's her favorite part of the house. I think it's mine too because the mirror, y'all gonna see a lot of flicks in this mirror with some quotes or something. Like, I'm just gonna be in the mirror, chopping it up, you feel me? Yeah, y'all know where I'm going with this. Then we got the long cabinet. I don't know the terminology for all this stuff. So if y'all in the comments and y'all trying to correct me, I told y'all I don't know the terminology for this stuff, so don't get on my ass, man. But I done got a few towels and stuff already because I'm already starting to live here. But it's not gonna be long till y'all get a furnished house tour because I just gotta get the, you feel me? Y'all just stay tuned for that. But this is the end of the house tour. This is not a big house, so I didn't expect this video to be as long. Oh, she reminded me. Y'all, last but not least, is it a light out here? There's no light out here. But this is the patio when you come and get your thoughts together. I don't know if y'all can see me, it's a little dark, but I got a perfect view of the whole apartment scenery. We got neighbors, we got the gym, we got all type of stuff. We got people like, I got the perfect little thing. I might take a smoke. I don't even smoke. Let me stop around y'all. But sorry y'all, but that is the last spot. If y'all like it, leave me a like, come subscribe. But I will continue this vlog. It's not much, but thank y'all for all the congratulations I seen on Instagram and all that. Y'all some real supporters, and I couldn't do this without y'all, no cap. And I want to thank y'all. Leave a like, come subscribe. I'm really lost for words right now. If I keep saying like, come subscribe, I'm really like blessed, and I'm really still taking this in. But blessings on blessings on blessings. It's been great since I've been 21, no cap. But y'all stay tuned for the vlog. I love y'all, no cap. Y'all, it's the next day. As y'all can see, I got this shit on walk away video. No, I didn't.
So what took you so long to get here?
Editing. Y'all, every time I come over here, she sleep, and I gotta wake her up, bro. Like, wake the up.
Motherfuckers don't understand, that's why.
Bro, I don't understand the school and.
Oh, you doing school on YouTube?
No, I never did that. Exactly. Okay, I don't have to do that to understand.
I'm just saying, you only would know that shit.
Bro, y'all don't be that exhausted. I ain't gonna lie, her and Maya, they be just out of there like sleep. Like, hello, I just woke up.
I look a mess and shit.
She talking about I look a mess. You right about that one.
I don't care, I'm still that bitch.
You still that what? Watch your mouth going around me, bro.
B-word.
Right. But y'all, I feel like I ain't been over my house in a little minute, bro.
Niggas getting an apartment, forget about my house.
Nigga, I only had an apartment for like 2-3 days. But nah, y'all know I gotta pick back up with the vlogs. I ain't been posting, but we finna be back posting for y'all. No cap.
March finna go.
And I really don't want to show y'all the apartment. That's why I didn't start the vlog at the apartment, because I want the apartment scenery to be fully furnished.
What?
Bro, she is falling asleep driving, but like I was saying, I want the apartment to be fully furnished when y'all like see it next time, because that's gonna be the fully furnished next. You feel me? Like, we're gonna have decorations, all that, carpets, couches, TVs, BBLs, everything. No cap. So y'all just stay tuned for the furnished, because I'm not gonna be. I'll probably start a little vlog in the kitchen or something where y'all can't really see nothing. That's probably what I'll do. But we got a little vlog going today. We got a little stuff to do today. After I pull up on Maya, I got somewhere else to be. I'm gonna pull up at this little. I gotta go to this little video shoot. And ride.
Okay.
Yeah. She be acting like she my mama or something. I'm finna beat your ass.
What?
You almost hit that truck.
The truck almost hit me.
Right. But y'all stay tuned for the vlog, for the rest of the vlog. Y'all know what to do. Eat that food and eat. Okay, should I stop?
You done pissed me off saying that.
Right. Boom, so we just made it to the motherfucking shoot, man. We got a little jack.
Y'all know it's Big Jazz. Don't play with it.
This Big Mafia, though.
For real?
Yeah.
Big Mafia.
Okay, we just gotta make sure she know this Big Mafia.
Sure.
Yeah, so we got Lil Jazz, Big Mafia. Lil Jazz?
I guess Lil Jazz. Just for y'all.
Show them your last tattoo.
Y'all wanna see?
Look at her last
Y'all, it's
tattoo.
so hard.
Motherfucking small though, twin.
No,
Motherfucking not big.
It is, and it hurt a little, man.
Tight. So we just made it to the shoot though. They got the little people in there. They was so strict, twin. They ain't even let me in this motherfucker. They said Kiana said don't let nobody in this motherfucker. That's crazy to me. But this motherfucker a little deep. I'm not gonna cap to you. Like, got a decent amount of guys in this bitch, man.
He got to pay me for this. He paid me to be up here.
Yeah, he's drunk as fuck. He's drunk, but yo, he got the members in here, man. But where my nigga Rod then? Where the members at, man? We got the members in this bitch, man. What the fuck going on? Say what? Don't be kissing them, twin. They don't want no kiss, twin. We got Rod in this bitch. Yeah. Look at Nadia big. Oh, wow. Y'all, but
Hey, vloggy vlog.
oh my god.
Y'all remember the Fantastic Four? They're right here.
Everybody here.
Oh,
Wait a minute. Everybody in this bitch. We got Rod. We got Nadia. Oh my god. Y'all, we reunited. We're reunited.
we did.
What's wrong with my hair?
Oh, that ain't. He just got a little damage. It's okay.
Okay.
I gotta get him some oil.
Yeah.
You got what?
Yeah.
You would be the one to point that out.
You know,
Let me see your shit.
clear, clean,
Nah.
sleek is
Let me
the
see your
fuck.
shit.
She got that
What's that?
ponytail.
That little ass. She got that little like. Yeah, that she got the clip on shit. If I slide it up, it's gonna come off.
My dreads look good.
Your dreads?
No, my dreads.
Yeah, you got them fuck nigga dreads. Them the ones
Cause
that
me and Nadia's finna go.
finna go what?
We finna go have some fun in the
Ugh, dirty ass.
It's gonna be me, her. It's gonna be me, her, and Ida.
Man, we went loud. We went
that dude.
What the fuck?
This big head ass girl.
He got these dirty ass dreads. He trying to get on me on bro. And her fake dread ass on bro.
I know
I
you
know what the fuck
My
going on.
shit's still fine. Fine as hell.
No, ain't shit fire about
And
it.
what?
I don't even want no smoke.
Oh, okay.
We got Ida. She real fake though. So
She's a
we
part
not
of the
just
threesome.
what threesome?
Me and Nadia.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Banging walls, headboards.
What the fuck?
Talk about our threesome.
No, twin. You didn't just hear what they just said, bro. Ida said they banging walls and headboards.
No, and I said I'm banging coochie. I don't know what she's talking about.
What the fuck? Bro, y'all are wild, twin. They feel we gotta be quiet, y'all. We gonna be back though, y'all. Be safe. No cap. Y'all, we just not leaving the studio, man. So at the end of the video, y'all gonna see what happened. I can't even say too much on what happened to the video. Me and my brother, we finna slide somewhere, so the vlog continues, man. I know the fuck going on. Look at her, Lil Jazz.
I'm back.
Lil Jazz, what you still doing here?
Big Jazz.
Lil Jazz.
Lil Jazz.
We got Lil Jazz in the cut. Y'all know the
What's
fuck
up,
going
y'all?
on.
Big Jazz. Don't play with it.
Lil Jazz in the butt.
You know, Big Jazz.
It's time to slide, twin. Alright, bet. So we finna slide y'all. We gonna hit y'all back when we get to the next destination.
Lil Mafia.
I'm finna beat her ass. She finna die, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all, we toe up, twin. It's 2:08. I'm toe up on bro. Nigga, we just went to Nomad. And we just got some good eats. Check out the good eats though. Boom, nigga. Luckily, I live downtown. So shit, feel me, a nigga good. And we in a new crib with it, nigga. I'm drunk as fuck, bro, nigga. When y'all see this, that was that they drunk as fuck. I'm toe up. Twin.
What up, bro?
This some real shit, nigga.
What?
This is mine.
I know it's yours, nigga.
Oh, I'm just letting you know. Hey, twin. I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna tear this food up, eat this food like I eat that ass. I don't know. Even off the lick, I'm gonna tell you I eat ass. I ain't got no drink, but Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching this video. It's been a time. I love y'all, like, no drunk shit. I love y'all. Thank y'all niggas for watching me, bro. Like, y'all some real niggas. Even if you made it through this video, it's been a live vlog. We done been a video shoot. I done showed y'all an apartment, all type of stuff. Fresh fade, photo waves, white toes, photo. Don't laugh at me, bro. Cause I'm posting this on bro, I'm posting this. And when I'm sober, I'm gonna edit this and I'm still gonna post it on bro. By the way, I'm finna drink some juice cause I'm drunk, I'm thirsty as fuck. Bro, this is a real lifestyle, like, twin. Niggas not living like this, like, I know niggas that waited a long time to get an apartment. Nigga, I got my first luxury apartment at 21, nigga, I'm blessed. Nigga, I'm blessed. Nigga, for real, nigga, we finna drink some cranberry juice. We gonna call it a day. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching me. Oh my God, OTB Mafia, I love y'all so much. Bro, stay tuned. On to bigger, on to better, on to big. Y'all can do this, bro. This motivation, no cap.